This program has changed my outlook of going to college and being able to go into one of the trades because I don't learn like others. I could go to trade school and go for welding to be a pipeline welder, be able to be outside, be able to be in the outdoors, and really work for what I want. My family really loves me being in the program, especially my dad, because he was a tradesman himself. He was a sheet metal worker to a welder and now all the way up to a project manager. And I really enjoyed this program and being in this program because it really taught me that I don't have to go to college. I can experience new things and really go into the welding trade as a student that doesn't like to sit in a classroom and that really likes to be outside and work with his hands. I joined Mr. Vick's welding program because at first when I came into high school, teachers didn't take me seriously when I was trying to learn their class because I don't learn like others and I'm not able to just sit in a room and stare at a board. I know that when I came into Mr. Vick's program that he was all hands-on and willing to take a step back and actually talk to me and show me that I can do stuff. It was a huge eye-opener to high school and it made me want to come to school. One memorable moment in this class for me was building my log, where I got to be the only one to work on that and I got to weld on that log. So I get to take that with me forever and wherever I go, and it can sit on my desk, and when people come into my office and be like, hey, how did you build that, or did you build that? It's a good conversation piece and I really took a moment from that when I built it. I'm Sean, I'm a senior at Champion High School and I'm a proud member of Vick's Welding Nation.